Hey guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. So it's been a while I actually used those words. I know, right? And I hope you guys actually like my backlight. I'm trying to walk around this so my camera comes out really well. I'm actually liking this one. And I started using my product again because sometimes I retire for the baby. You can see the way I'm pushing. I'm pushing her at the moment. Well, today I want to talk about DIYs. And yes, some DIYs that are not really necessary in order to inculcate them. Just a simple remedy will do the trick. So there are some home remedies that people get to say that we should use to take away our dark under armpits. I'm not attacking DIYs because I know people are going to come for me. No one attacks home remedies. I know, right? But I'm also giving solution to the home remedy, which is also a home remedy. So now this is one of the DIY that I feel is not necessary, especially in Nigeria right now with how things are skyrocketing high. You don't need this to take away your dark under armpits when you can actually just get one for shikini money. Now we'll do the trick. Now they say you need to cut cucumber into pieces. I'm very sure they mean you cut it into round pieces. And we all know cucumber helps to take away dark under eyes. Yeah, it's really, really good. It works on that part. I won't lie about it. But they now say use baking soda alongside the cucumber to take away dark under armpits. Baking soda, as we know, yes, it helps to take away your dark areas in your pots, your under pots now. We agree that one. Now they will now tell you again to use lemon juice, to add it alongside the cucumber and the baking soda to help take away dark under armpits. Lemon juice, I would not agree with that because not everyone can adapt with lemon juice. Lemon juice, as we know, is foreign. Now, foreign lemon juice that they talk about. And again, with how the price in Nigeria is right now, the way prices are skyrocketing high, it is not cheap. All right, I know they'll say get the fruit. It is still not cheap in the market. So that one is a no-no. And again, lemon juice tends to sting the skin. Depends on the skin type. So it is not for everybody. Okay, let's scrap that one. Now they will say get olive oil as well. Mix everything together to take away your dark under armpits. This is a long process. A really, really long process to take away dark under armpits. When brown sugar can do the trick as well as salt. Why go through all this bobo tigbo in order to get a simple solution? Okay, now let's start all over. Now you guys say we should use cucumber, use baking soda, use lemon juice, and use olive oil. I'm scrapping that. We're scrapping that and we're using brown sugar and sweet almond oil. Now this is very good for someone with a dry skin. Get your brown sugar and your sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil takes approximately 6 hours for it to absorb on the skin. All right, brown sugar helps with glow, so this is good for someone with a dry skin. Okay, now the brown sugar will take away the dark areas and also exfoliate your dead skin cells, which will be good for whatever products you want to use to penetrate easy on the skin. All right, now for someone with an oily skin, I will advise you go for salt. Okay, if you have oily skin, Mickey, my skin now this kind of skin, maybe say if I enter sun like this, ororo, get salt. All right, salt is sharper. Apart from it being sharper, it's good for people with oily skin. It tends to sap away most of your oils. All right, it dries the skin. That is why it's always advisable for someone with oily skin to use salt, but you don't use it on a regular, because with time it will dry off your skin. All right, I won't advise you just use salt. You can mix it with sunflower oil. Sunflower oil ranges from 0 to 2%, which is actually very good on the face as well as on the body, and it does not clog the skin. That's the good thing about sunflower oil. Okay, and it's very fast to absorb on the skin compared to when you're using sweet almond oil. So now I gave you a solution to your DIY. These are cheap. How much for salt? How much for sunflower oil? Imagine now, and you need very little sunflower oil alongside your salt. Bing, 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 bing on the damp skin. You are good to go. Same thing with your brown sugar. Get a little brown sugar alongside your sweet almond oil. And believe you me, the amount you're going to spend on cucumber, as well as baking soda, as well as your lemon juice and your olive oil, you're not even going to spend half of that money. You're not going to be spending half of that money when it comes to you using brown sugar or salt alongside the oils. So I just said I should give you guys some sweet tips. Once in a while, make I show you some tips. But I am not tarnishing DIYs. Good, I know some of you are going to come for me. I'm not tarnishing DIYs. I'm just trying to feel there's some DIYs that are just not necessarily meant to go together. They're just, they just make believes. To me, Sha. So I'm gonna see you guys in my next YouTube video. And Mickey loves you like Kilo Day. Bye, guys.